Even though we kind of see things slightly changing now, because more persons have been getting aware and more educational of their culture and who they are as a person. But this is how it was from back in those days, all right, from back in slavery. This is what they embedded in the minds of persons, that black is the less, or you know, we are not that superior nation, while we are the creators and the inventors of a lot of these stuff, all these technologies that they have using today, all these different types of tools and equipment that they have. It was also invented by a black man. But what happened on the slave plantation when a black man invents something, they took it and take the right and all the paperwork that was used to create this stuff, the patterns, and they come up front and say, I do this and I do that because it was a slave that done it. So they didn't have any right to own it because they themselves were owned by someone. So anything that they build, they build that for that person, because that person generally come to the forefront and say, I build this, I own this, leaving out the true owner. All right.